What if the grudge you carry was never yours to hold? What if the silence you called strength was actually the slowest kind of heartbreak? And what if, just once, you looked back and saw the bridge still standing, but you were the one refusing to walk? Stay till the end, because this story might just mirror something you buried too deep.
Harry never planned to return. Not to this street, not to this memory. 2 years ago, this alley held laughter, secrets, and Liam, his best friend, until a lie tore them apart. Not a loud lie, but the kind that spreads slow, like a shadow you don't notice until everything's cold.
Funny how betrayal rarely screams. Sometimes it whispers, and we still let it end everything.
He wrote Liam a letter that night, words soaked in truth and guilt. I was wrong. I should have asked. I should have believed you. But then, he burned it. One flick of a lighter, and everything unsaid turned to ash.
Why do we destroy things just because we're afraid they won't be received?
And yet tonight, under the quiet hum of rain, a stranger walks up and hands him 2 letters. No explanation, just 2 envelopes. No name, no words, just paper. Harry opens it, and it's Liam's handwriting, but not addressed to him, not even sent, just lines scribbled in heartbreak. I miss who we used to be. I hated how easy it was to believe a rumor over a friendship. I didn't fight for us, and I hate that.
It wasn't just Harry who wrote a letter and burned it. Liam had done the same. 2 best friends, 2 unsent apologies, and 2 years wasted in silence.
Harry opens the second envelope. The handwriting is unfamiliar. This one hit differently. It read, I thought staying silent was protecting you both, but I see now, silence doesn't protect, it poisons. If you're reading this, I'm sorry for being the lie between the truth. And at the bottom, 1 line, simple, final. Tell him I said goodbye.
That man, the one who gave him the letters, died in a crash 3 nights ago. And this was the only truth he left behind.
They had both waited for the other to blink, to call, to explain, both convinced the other had stopped caring. But maybe they both cared too much and didn't know how to say it anymore.
Isn't that how most relationships die? Not in explosions, but in quiet corners, with apologies that never made it out of our mouths.
Harry walks to Liam's doorstep, a new letter in hand. No fire this time, just courage. This time, he didn't overthink, didn't rehearse, didn't wait for the perfect moment. He just knocked.
Sometimes, the most powerful apology isn't a speech. It's a presence, a quiet return, a decision to show up, even when you're unsure how you'll be received. Because some letters are meant to be delivered in person. But what if the pain you've been holding on to isn't yours to carry alone? What if the test isn't in letting go, but in staying soft enough to begin again? There's more, and it changes everything. Watch The Art of Saying No next.